You said drop?
Oh, okay.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Team Kilowatt. Here we go. We're going to do an incredible unboxing of the Speck LG V40 Thinq case. It's just, I love the fact that it's clear. I wanted to get a case because I currently have a different case for this phone, and I wanted to make sure that I wanted to showcase the beauty of this phone.
What are the reasons why we're going to taste this case?
So I like the Speck case. It's supposed to have a 8-foot drop. So
Are we going to put that to the test today?
I don't know. I'm scared.
Are you willing to put your phone through that?
Well, let me tell you something. The current case that I have, which is this one here, this is a tough case, right? But it's a little bit uncomfortable, and you know, I don't know. It's pretty nice, but
let's go on with the new case. This is the one we want.
So this is the case that we want to talk about. So it is the Speck case. Now it says that it has 2 layers of clear technology protection. As you can see, the price is $44. I got a good deal on it. It was only $6.99. So it's supposed to be protecting the smartphones in case any drops. It has a little bit of a lip on it. So as you can see, so it can protect the screen, and in case it drops down, it's supposed to do that. So
apparently one of the things with this case is that it also resists discoloration, which I think you had another case before this that turned purple or something.
No, it turned like a champagne. Yeah. It looked like I was popping bottles, but.
All right, let's unbox this bad boy.
Let's get this. Oh, wow, you're going rough on it.
I'm going in. Let's say it.
So what do you think about the case itself?
I think it's nice, it's sturdy. I feel a little film inside also. Looks like it looks pretty, it seems pretty good.
Let me see.
Yeah. Sturdy.
Wow, it's a nice sturdy case. It's flexible, but it seems to be sturdy.
All right, let's put it on the phone and see how it goes.
So we're going to put it on without removing the film. So let's see how it's going to look. Oh.
How does it feel in terms of the weight?
Wow.
Like, does it change the dynamics of the phone? Or?
It does. I mean, it adds a little bit of weight to the phone, a little bit of, I guess, width to it. It kind of makes the phone feel a little bigger.
I mean, you have bigger hands, so it doesn't feel better on your hands, right?
Yeah, it does. Yeah, I don't know, but it made the phone feel newer, a bigger phone. I mean, I do sense the protection on it. I don't know if you can see that there is a bit of distance between the phone here, the screen, and the case.
It looks pretty good. Well, it fits well, it looks good, and feels good in the hand. And
I want to do a drop case. I want to do it. You want to do it? Let's just move this back a little bit. So first of all, I want to showcase my socks, which are awesome. There you go. There you go. But this will be the case that I will put it in my pocket, and then the phone will basically drop.
Oh boy. Oops. Oops.
I mean, look. Wow. Oh wow. Nice.
Cleans right off.
Cuffs. Yeah. Cleans right off. Speck. You get thumbs up. It was $44, but I got it on a nice deal for $6. So it is a sign for impact. So I like it.
All right, guys. So that's been the video on the Speck Presidio Stay Clear case for the LG V40 ThinkQ phone.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and share these videos.
Make sure you hit the notification bell so you can stay alert every time we drop a new video.
You said drop?
Oh, okay.
All right, everyone.
On that note, we're out. Team
Kilowatt.